In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on Gmail. It's a very simple method, and it's incredibly useful for stopping spam or unwanted emails from specific senders. Once blocked, you won't receive any more messages from them again, which helps reduce clutter and keeps your inbox clean. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Gmail and find the sender. First, open Gmail on your computer or mobile device. Browse through your inbox and locate an email from the person or company you want to block. Step 2. Two options for stopping emails. Depending on the type of email, you have two options. Option A, unsubscribe for newsletters and marketing emails. If the email is from a legitimate mailing list or company, you'll often see an unsubscribe link next to the sender's name or at the top of the email. Click unsubscribe. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click unsubscribe again. This will remove you from their mailing list. For managing multiple subscriptions, you can also go to Manage Subscriptions in Gmail settings to see and control all your mailing list memberships. Option B. Block the sender for spam or unwanted individuals. If the email is from a specific person or a sender that doesn't offer an unsubscribe option, you can block them directly. Open the email from the sender you want to block. Click the three vertical dots, More Options, in the top right corner of the email. From the drop-down menu, select Block Sender Name. A confirmation message will appear. Click Block to confirm. What happens after blocking? Once you block a sender, any new messages from that email address will be automatically redirected to your spam folder. You won't see them in your main inbox. Emails in the spam folder are automatically deleted after 30 days, so you don't have to worry about them piling up. Alternatively, you can manually clear your spam folder anytime you want, and that's it. You've successfully blocked unwanted emails from cluttering your inbox. Conclusion, and that's it. Blocking unwanted senders is a simple but effective way to take control of your Gmail inbox. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and helpful guides. Thanks for watching.